I wasn't expecting this, but I am.
Hi, thank you.
And guess what? That guy's for me. Oh, there's 3 of us on this flight, so they're picking 3 of us up. Cool. I just wasn't expecting it. It's kind of cool. I mean, I get a private plane ride, and then I get to ride a fancy car. Go the other end. So we gotta follow that guy. There's 3 of us now because one guy's local. I actually wasn't really planning on making a video on this trip, but
What do you do?
might as well.
Travel a lot?
Yeah, I do. So, wow. They just push the button and everything open. Okay. I'll ride in the middle. I'm cool with that.
Boys.
That's
I
fine.
was going to try to give you all the space. I do IoT. So I lead a technology. They don't know what ice hockey is. That's awesome. Doesn't exist in. Good luck.
Well, I'm not riding on this plane. I'm gonna go in the club. All right, now I know what it's like to be on this side of Dulles. Kind of fun. Yeah, that was nice. So, my wife was supposed to have one for Wednesday, but things are going on in our life. But I'm at the old days Inn in Gainesville. I've already flown back to Texas and Ubered up and grabbed my set of trunks, and now I'm gonna go to Waffle House and eat and then go to bed. So there's that. Yeah, I've yet to stay at this Comfort Inn. I just haven't, and the main reason I haven't is because that Days Inn over there is just so nice and so cheap. I can't bring myself to stay there when it's like $40 more. It's clearly falling apart. Waffle House. Gotta love the waffle. Also, I'm gonna jump off of that and I'm probably gonna break my knee. So I don't want to be stupid, so I'm gonna walk till it gets shorter. Yeah, much better. Plus I had a handhold to come down with. Just tired. Super tired. I got up at 1 o'clock this morning. I only got like 3 hours of sleep because I picked up yesterday morning. Actually, I dropped, and then I picked up yesterday morning. And then I drove, and it's just, I've been literally, since the last time I've been really to bed. I've been from Dallas, Texas to the Eastern Seaboard and back on a plane, of course. And now I'm just south of Oklahoma. I'm just running. You know, I've been talking to my grandma and my wife and other people, and I just really haven't videoed. So, there's got a lot going on. So, yeah, sorry. It's a normal hotel room. Y'all have actually seen this exact room several times. So, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll talk to you in the morning. I know, it's 1:30 in the morning. 1:45 actually. And I'm already up and dressed and leaving this wonderful room that was $70 a night. So, going to Waffle House to get coffee because they don't have none. And then hit the road. So, but yeah, I'm making it happen today. It's funny is my wife is actually up right now. She's taking care of her grandma, and grandma's up puking. So my wife's up, and she had a rough go of it. It's been bad. She had a doctor botched surgery on her, and she's 88. She's been in and out of ICU. We thought she was gonna die like, I don't know, 3 or 4 times. You know, making that call of like, oh shit, this ain't gonna be good. And so yeah, it's been kind of rough on her lately. Just life in general has been kind of catching up to us. And it's funny because even though we've got stuff going on, we've been getting hit left and right. Just it's been rough. It's one reason I've been posting all those shorts about how, you know, just different things in life. So, but yeah, okay. I'm gonna get fired up and get on the road. But first, I need coffee. I get a little too excited with Waffle House, I know it. But I'm about to not be able to have it every night, every day. And this is not gonna be right. Because I'm moving where there ain't none. You know it. A little fuzzy there. Happy bowl. I'm trying to run a little bit legal. Just a little bit, not too much. But while I'm here, I've always wanted to check this place out. I've already gone 500 miles today. Walked a little bit, let my food settle. Cool. No idea what I'm looking for. Apparently it's cooking your home goods. They do have knives. Lots of knives. Oh, that's what I'm looking for. Lots of knives. And all the time that I've driven by this place and I've wanted to stop. And I've never stopped. Even when I stayed over there at that hotel. I just haven't. And so finally when I do, I'm like, wow, that ain't really all that cool. Oh well, now I know. Well, I got parked. Now I'm at this wonderful Days Inn. I don't know if they're gonna let me park here though, because there's signs that says no trucks to come back here. But I don't know. Our little app thing says there's truck parking. Apparently they used to have a pool. Now it's filled in. So we'll see. But I'm in Casey, Illinois. See? It says it on the water tower. Yay! So apparently this is the world's largest town. I don't mean the world's largest town, but they've got the world's largest teeter-totter, the world's largest wind chime, the world's largest rocking chair, the former world's largest knitting needles and crochet hooks. Somebody beat y'all out, done. Largest key, largest barber pole, largest mailbox, largest wooden shoes, largest golf club, largest swizzle spoon. I don't even know what a swizzle spoon is, but apparently it's the largest of something. What about the puzzle ear, corn, rocking horse, and all that stuff? Is that just stuff that's around?
Yeah.
It's not the biggest? Y'all tried to be the biggest?
It's not the biggest, but it's inside of a place where you can go and you can actually play with those puzzles.
I'm not going to go play with the puzzles. Y'all know me. I'm just staying here. But let's go down the hallway and look at the room because, apparently it's a nice hotel. Met the owner. Cool as hell. You got coffee, computer, bathrooms. First door on the right, up the stairs. Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, man, my knees hurt. Super nice people. Super great. Learned so much. I love dealing with hotel owners who are educational and they teach me things. So it makes me happy. All right, so we got us a king bed. It smells really good. Like not a lot of fabuloso kind of deal going on. It's just really nice. TV works. Microwave looks like it works. Fridge works. But, oh, sorry, I burped. That's actually pretty comfy. Oh, looks good. Good comforter. I'm gonna sleep great. I know. I should go see the world's largest something, but it's like 2 miles that away and I'm on the interstate. Hey, I got a mirror. And another mirror. An hair dryer. There's no coffee. The towels. And they're okay. This is Brad as he gets in here, by the way. Can you see shot right? Yeah. Okay, so I gotta get up in 8 hours. In 18 minutes. I still gotta go eat and stuff. So there's Pizza Hut and Dairy Queen and stuff down the road. By the way, this does have a gym in it. Not too horrible. A little bit of weights. Yeah, I'm going to eat. No gym for me. I need to eat and get going. I don't care who you are. You have a van go zipping by you, scare the shit out of you. So, yeah. I'm about ready to go to bed. Almost. I'm debating if I should dump this video real quick or not. I might, but then I'll wind up a half-ass video. Let y'all go ahead and ride it out. You can enjoy. Everything will be great, right? There's so many bees. I'm allergic to bees. Bees don't like me. You know, it's 12:30 in the morning. Actually, no, it's 1:05 now. I've been drinking coffee. Yeah. I don't want to. I gotta go. I'm gonna be late. Until the shower's nice and steamy. Towels are okay. And I gotta go. I gotta hurry up. As soon as I got a 20-minute window to make it. And then I gotta find a way to the airport. Be there by 2 o'clock. So, yeah, it's not, I gotta run. Hey, they do have a laundry in here. Ice machine, a Coke machine. You know, I try to show everything. They used to have a conference room, but they don't anymore. I don't know what that's about. Oh, there you go. I'm running behind. Yay. That looks like a alarm. It's not. Oh, it's kind of chilly out here this morning. Oh, I really gotta hurry up. Thanks, Days Inn. Successfully delivered. Headed to the airport. Y'all can hang out when I get there. I'll show you because it's a new club. So I'll show you that there. I didn't know that Cleveland Airport was this big. I think it was shut up.
This is Cleveland Hopkins International Airport.
I don't know, it's weird. They talk way too much on that thing. It's loud and annoying. Oh, okay, it's working. My phone wasn't working. I didn't know. So I'm in the airport now. It is weirdly small, long. I don't even know what's going on. So I'm just kind of like trying to figure out where I'm going right now. And it's just weird. Oh, it makes me happy. So happy. It's definitely an old Continental Lounge. Wow, this thing's actually big. Okay, this thing's huge. You got a family room in there. You got the people that help you. You've got little office areas. You've got tons of seating. Again, more office areas. And then little places to sit. And then more seating. And then more seating. And then you got more seating back there in the theater. It's really a theater. Ice cream, gelato. And then food. Too fancy for me. And then food, kind of. Salad. Well, the club was fun, but now I'm on my plane. I'm gonna edit this thing, and then I'm gonna drop it whenever I land in Houston. So, it was a pleasure. Thanks for hanging out with me this week. Sorry I didn't get to a video yesterday, and this one was probably gonna be late. So, but love you. Bye.